Standard 8 subject English. We learned poem 1.1 Be the Best. Today we learn remaining part of this poem on page number 3. See next part of the poem. I can read it and you listen carefully. We can't all be the captains, we have got to be crew. There's something for all of us here. There's big work to do and there's lesser to do. And the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't be size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Douglas Knowledge. C. In second, third stanza, we can't all be the captain of the ship, and so if we can't all be the captain of ship, but we have got to be the crew of this ship, and so there is something for all of us here. Means different works we all here, and so there's some work are very big to do, and some are there's lesser to do here, but they are not unimportant. But and the task you must do is the near. Means what you do, what do you want to do? This is the work near to you, and so you work very hard, be the best for your work. Now next, if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you want to go high, but if you can't reach there, means the poet says that if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. Means you become a narrow path. If you can't be a highway, you can become a narrow path. And if you can't be the sun, but you can become a star instead of sun. And so it isn't be the size, not depend upon that you win or you fail. You win or you fail. Be the best. And so the poet says that be the best of whatever you are in every field, in every area. If you do your work at that time, you must do your best. Means be the best of whatever you are there. So this is the poem, and there are some words here write in dark type. So you write this word in your notebook and read the poem by heartily at the home. Now in this way we complete this poem. Here I give you an extract next period tomorrow. So we stop here.